अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि ताला वबरकातुहू।
Hello. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we will learn about the Ramadan and the fasting. In few days, the holy month of Ramadan is coming in our lives, so we are lucky that we will have another Ramadan in our life. So before Ramadan, we will learn about the Ramadan fasting and the worship we perform during the Ramadan, and we will learn about the Umrah in Ramadan and about the Eid al-Fitr in the Ramadan. So inshallah, we will try to complete all these topics before the Ramadan al-Mubarak. Today is our first lesson about Ramadan. So we start. Ramadan al-Mubarak, the Al-Ibn son. Al-Ibn, the son. Al-Walidu, the father. This is a conversation between the son and the father. Son is giving news to his father. Ghadan Ramadanu ya abi. Ghadan Ramadanu ya abi. Tomorrow is Ramadan, O my father. Ghadan, tomorrow, Ramadanu ya abi. Tomorrow is Ramadan, O my father. Alanal mudi'u zalika munzu lahzatan. Okay. There was the announcer announced. Alana means announcement. Alana, announcement or advertisement. Announcement or an advertisement. Al-Mudiyu, announcer. Al-Mudiyu, announcer. An announcer. The Zalika, that munzu, ago, lahzatan, moment. Lahzatan, moment. Just a moment ago, the announcer announced. We translate, a moment ago, the announcer announced. What was the announcement? Ghadan Ramadana. So the announcer announced about the Ramadan. A moment ago, announcer announced about that. Zalika, that. Alhamdulillah, all praises be to Allah. Laqad hadartu ma'i kulla ma nahtaju ilayhi fi suhuri. Laqad, I have. Laqad, I have. I have brought. I have brought ma'i with me. Kulla, all. So everything. I have brought everything we need in the sahur. In the sahur. Sahur means we take meal before dawn. So sahur before dawn meal. I have brought everything with me which we need in before dawn meal. Wa'adatani an asawma hazal amayabi. Wa'adatani, you have promised me. You have promised me. An asawma hazal ama, I will fast this year. Yabi, O my father, you have promised me that I have to fast this year. Yabi, O my father. Wana inda, and yes, I have. Yes, I keep. Wa'adi, my promise. Yes, I keep my promise. Sirtal ana rajulan. You have become a man. Sirta, become. You have become a man now. Alana, no. No, you have become a man. Fal sayamu wajibun alaika. So the fasting is obligatory for you. Fal sayamu wajibun alaika. So the fasting is obligatory on you, for you, or you can say upon you. So the fasting is now obligatory for you. Wajibun, obligatory.
Abang, hana
Please mute the mics, please. Okay. Wamata satanawalu sahuru, and when we will take the dawn meal. When we will take the dawn meal. Wamata sanatanawalu sahur, and when we will take sanatanawalu, we will take. When we will take the sahur. Sanatanawaluhu qabla al-fajri. We will take it. We will take it before the dawn. Qabla al-fajri, before the dawn. We will take the sahur. We will take the sahur meal before the dawn, before the fajr. Summa nastarihu qalilan. Summa nastarihu qalilan. Then we will take rest a while. Qalilan, a while. Then we will take rest a while. Faiza hanal fajru zahabna ilal masjidi lissalati. Faiza hanal fajru zahabna ilal masjidi lissalati. So then the time of the fajr, hana comes. Hana means come. Then the fajr times comes. Zahabna ilal masjidi. We will go to the masjid lissalati, for salat. Then the fajr time comes, fajr time arrives, and we will go to the masjid for prayer. Faiza, so you can translate. So then the Fajr time comes, come and we will go to the masjid for prayer. Faiza, so then. Uridu aidan an azhaba ma'aka li salati tarawihi ghadan. Uridu, I want, aidan, I also want to go with you for the Salat Tarawih tomorrow. Tomorrow, I also want to go with you for the prayer of Tarawih. I translate again. Uridu aidan an azhaba ma'aka li salati tarawihi ghadan. I also want to go with you for a Tarawih prayer ghadan tomorrow. Tomorrow I also want to go with you for Tarawih prayer. Barakallahu fika. May Allah reward you with good. Sanusallil isha'a wa tarawiha fil masjidi kulla laylatin bi isnillahi. With the permission of bi'isnillahi, with the permission of Allah, we will pray Isha and Tarawih in the masjid kulla laylatin, every night. Kulla laylatin, here we will translate every night. With the permission of Allah, bi'isnillahi, we will pray Isha and Tarawih in the masjid every night. Ma'azama sa'adati. Ma'azama sa'adati. How a great player for me. Sa'adati mean Sa'adati, happiness. My happiness. So here my happiness. My happiness, or you can translate my player. So player for me. So what a great player for me. How a great player for me. Sa'adhabu ila waladati wa akbaruha. Sa'adhabu ila waladati, I will go to my mother. Sa'adhabu, I will go ila waladati, to my mother. Wa akbaruha, and I will inform her. Akbaruha, inform her. Kullaha, say to her. Kullaha, say to her, tu'idu sahuran li salasatin ya bunayya. O my son, say her to prepare sahur, dawn meal for three people. Li salasati, for 3 people. O my son, say her to prepare. To idu, prepare. To idu, prepare. Say her to prepare sahuran, dawn meal for 3. Li salasati, for 3 ya bunayya. O my son, say her to prepare dawn meal for 3 people. Ramadanu Mubarak. So happy Ramadan. Ramadanul Mubarak. Happy Ramadan. So this is our first lesson. So